Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming Capcut is up to date and that your projects are backed up. This prevents data loss if you need to reinstall. Open Settings, then Apps, locate Capcut and clear cache. This resets temporary files without erasing projects. Next, grant or recheck permissions for storage and microphone so the app can access files. Missing permissions often trigger security notices. Once done, restart the app and proceed to reproduce the notice so you can target the exact trigger. Now you'll reproduce the notice and diagnose it. Read the exact message and jot any error codes or suspicious phrases. If it mentions network or certificates, disable VPN or proxy briefly. Many security prompts are caused by intercepted connections. Also verify device date and time and look for security apps that may block Capcut's verification. If the notice references permissions, open Android or iOS permission logs. Make targeted changes, then reopen Capcut to see if the notice cleared. To resolve, remove and reinstall Capcut from the official App Store. This replaces corrupted files and refreshes app signatures. Make sure you download the app by the verified publisher and check the app size. Tampered APKs often differ. After reinstall, reapply permissions and retest features that triggered the notice. If it persists, capture a screenshot and send device model, OS version, and the exact notice to Capcut support. This speeds diagnosis. Troubleshooting tip: try a different network. Cellular versus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.